Marble floor versus wooden floor. Which one is better for your home? Dear friends, when it comes to home flooring, marble and wood are two of the most popular choices, each offering unique advantages and aesthetic appeal. Deciding between them depends on factors like climate, budget, lifestyle, and the overall look you want for your home. Marble flooring is often associated with luxury and durability. It has a natural shine and timeless beauty that instantly elevates the elegance of interiors. Being highly durable, marble can last for decades with minimal wear, and it remains cool underfoot, making it perfect for hot climates. It is also easy to clean and highly resistant to stains and scratches. However, marble can feel cold in winter, is slippery when wet, and its installation cost is relatively high. Periodic polishing is also required to maintain its glossy finish. Wooden flooring, on the other hand, brings a sense of warmth and coziness to a home. It adds natural charm and elegance, making interiors look inviting and comfortable. Wood is softer underfoot compared to marble, reducing strain while walking, and it provides natural insulation, keeping rooms warmer in cooler months. But wood requires more maintenance, as it is prone to scratches, moisture damage, and termite attacks if not treated properly. Its cost varies depending on the type of wood, but long-term upkeep can be higher than marble. In conclusion, if you want a luxurious, long-lasting, and low-maintenance option, marble flooring is the better choice, especially for living rooms and high-traffic areas. If you prefer warmth, comfort, and a natural aesthetic, wooden flooring is ideal for bedrooms or lounges. Many homeowners even combine the two to enjoy the best of both worlds. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.